Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy Magz in the building. It's your boy Vussy Magz. You already know what it is, man. So in this video, like you saw in the title, I'm gonna show you like how to open an account with Deriv, ne? And then at the same time, I'm also gonna show you what you need to do to fund the account. You get me? Because I heard, like, especially from my members, ne, they complaining. Some of them are complaining, saying, "Yo, man, the thing is a little too much. The procedure to how to handle with this broker's website is a little too much. I don't know. Maybe it's not as user friendly, you know, to some of y'all as it, you know. I just hope this video helps. Is what I'm saying. Let's not do all this, you know. So secondly, right? Listen, man, there's some clown out here talking about his Vussy Magz, and he's actually asking y'all for investments. So please, fam, don't fall for that trick. It's a scam. There's only one Vussy Magz, and you're looking at him right now. You feel me? Anyone else who comes to my comment section under the name of Vussy Magz, but I don't know how you're gonna know that it's not me. But let's do it like this. For anyone who's gonna subscribe to Signals or a course or investment, if you don't talk to me either via video call or we like call, like a WhatsApp call or something, or at least, you know, you are sure that it's me, don't do anything like that. Especially if they ask you for money, if anyone asks you for money under the name of me, of Vussy Magz or something, don't do that. Don't do that. Everyone that I'm working with, I've never had to ask anyone to, you know, to pay something this much and then they're gonna make this much money after X amount of time. That's a scam. So listen, man, anyone that's saying Vussy Magz does investments is trying to scam your ass. So don't fall for those tricks and stay away from those Telegram. If the Telegram has less than 2,000 people, it's not mine. You understand? Don't go to no Telegram with like 10, 20, 30 people talking about invest some money and then you're gonna get this much money. It's making me mad though, but I still need to make this video for y'all. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Alright, let's go. Yo, man, this video almost didn't make it. This video almost didn't make it to your feed or your timeline or your Telegram today, because I just found out there's some fool on the Telegram who's scamming people. Yes, you know, this was a vibe killer, but I'm gonna make this video for y'all. You feel me? I told myself I was gonna do this video no matter what, so I am gonna make this video, and there's gonna be another video that I'm gonna drop tomorrow morning. Immediately tomorrow morning, I'm gonna drop a video, and then in that video I'm gonna like fill you guys in with everything that's going on with this scamming people and stuff like that. We're gonna talk about it tomorrow morning. You feel me? And I hope all of y'all can make it to that video, because it's a very important one. You know, because if you and I are gonna continue, like, you feel me, if you and I are gonna continue building this relationship that we have now, then we need to take some things and then clarify some things. So please be there in the morning. I'm gonna upload the video in the morning. I'm gonna film it, because right now it's like, what time? Right now it's like 7 o'clock. The day is Wednesday. It's 7 o'clock on Wednesday. So you're gonna see this video around 8 o'clock, around 9 o'clock. This video will be out, and then tomorrow morning, Thursday, the video I'm talking about will be out. So just make sure you guys tune into that video, man, so we can, you know, get to the bottom of what the hell is going on Telegram. Alright, so back to the video of the day. Yeah? I want to show you guys how to open a Deriv account. It's quite simple, but I can see why for some it's a little bit complicated to deposit funds. So you're gonna go to Google, and then you're gonna search Deriv. And then you're gonna go to deriv.com. This one, you're gonna go there. This is the broker that we use to trade synthetic indices. You understand what I'm saying? This is the one that we use to trade synthetic indices, because as you can see, I want to show you the markets that they have. Like, don't they have like a thing? Don't they have like synthetic indices and stuff? Yeah, I'm sure you will see them here. Yeah, you see, so they have volatility indices, crash and boom. Every time I say that shit, I just want to laugh, but you know, for the sake of being a grown up in this video, I'm not gonna Okay, it's too late. I already left. Okay, the step indices, the step index, and then there's the range break indices. So there's range break 100, 200, boom 1,500, one crash 1,500. So the number that you're seeing here, it all depends on the greater the number, the more volatile this is actually gonna be. You see what I'm saying? So the less if it's volatility 10, like you're seeing here, then that means it's gonna be less volatile than volatility 100 or 100 index. Yeah, something like that. I'm gonna make a video also on this, explaining it in detail. But today's video is about how to open an account with them. So you're gonna go to the website, and then you're gonna go to log in, right? So when you go to log in, you're gonna see this now. So you're gonna go to create, you're gonna see the login stuff like email and password. You are gonna go to create a new account. So when you go to create a new account, you're gonna have to use your email address. So I had to create a new email address just for this video, which is what I'm trying to find now. Yeah, also the only option you have available when you create a new account is a demo account. You don't have an option for anything other than that. You understand? So the email that you used, they're gonna send you an email, and then when you open it, it's gonna have this email that says, "Thank you for creating an account with us. To complete your sign up, please verify your email." So all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to verify my email, right? Then it's gonna supposed to open a new window. Alright, so after you click on the link on the email thingy, right? After you click on the link, mind you, if you're gonna create if you're gonna start your account today, you're gonna have to wait for a little bit. The servers are kind of slow lately. I don't know what's going on, but I'm also tagging it out for y'all. So it's gonna ask you, thanks for verifying your email. Where do you live? So I'm gonna go because I stay in Afghanistan. Obviously, I gotta choose. I gotta choose Afghanistan. So sharp, and then create a password. So after you create your password, it's gonna ask you, where would you like to start, fam? So the CFDs, multipliers, digital options. Options is just like binary options. I don't know if you know IQ options and stuff like that, right? So because we want to trade synthetics are only there are like 1, 2, 3 options, right? But we want to have the option of trading synthetics and stocks and indices, right? So you want to go to the first one, CFDs, right? So now it says you gotta choose one. You gotta choose create. So wait, what's going on here? It says you need a real account for your cancel to create a DMT file. So we're gonna go to create a Deriv account, ne? That's what you're gonna go after, to create a Deriv account. Then choose currency. There's no ZAR. I don't see no ZAR here, so I'm actually gonna just use USD. You know what I'm saying? So first name, you're gonna add your first name, your last name, your other details, which is the date of birth and phone number. All right. So after you enter your details and other details and stuff like that, they're gonna ask you to enter your address. I don't think they actually need a proof of residence. You understand? You feel me? So, but they're saying only use an address for which you have a proof of residence. So I'm just gonna add my street address, town, province, and zip code. That's all you need, right? So after you're done with those 2 steps we just did, they're gonna ask you what all these things. Now I don't know what these things mean or whatever. The financial risk warning, and then real accounts are not available to politically exposed persons. So if you're not a PEP, you just gotta say I'm not a PEP, which means you're not a politically exposed person, and agree to the terms and conditions. Add account. You feel me? So it says already sign up, and the thing is, my thing is I've already, like, the details I put in here seems to be matching with the details on my own live account. You feel me? So, but with you, it's not really gonna show you all these things. You understand what I'm saying? So since you're gonna have a synthetics account open, which is the synthetic one, right? You're gonna choose the synthetic real account, and then it's gonna show you they're gonna basically send you the details and the the server name and stuff, and you can use that to log into MT5. They only support MT5, and if you guys need me to make a video on how to log into MT5 with their stuff, you just let me know in the comment section. But I feel like I've done enough already. But if you want that, I can make that, you feel me? So when you want to fund this account, right, because these are demo funds, when you want to fund this account, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the cashier, then you're gonna go to deposit, right? So when you deposit here, right, when you go to, thing is, I can't see because I gotta create a real account first for me. So when you deposit, your funds are gonna go to your wallet, right? It's gonna show you your wallet here, you feel me? So there's a wallet and then there's a trading account. It's kind of like with Veracity Markets, how you gotta fund. Do you fund money straight into the account? I think you do fund this straight into the account, yeah. But with these niggas, there's a wallet. You fund your money into, you put the money into a wallet, and then from a wallet you can transfer your funds from this wallet into your real account. Then from a real account you can withdraw from that real account and so forth. You feel me? So I do hope this video helped, and it's like, you feel me, I don't like, obviously because I already have an account, I can't really, you know, demonstrate the whole procedure of even withdrawing and stuff like that and depositing. But you do all those things at the cashier, and then you're gonna go to open real account first, and then you're gonna use the detail that'll give you and the server name to log in via MT5. You feel me? Alright fam, so that's all I got for you guys today. But I want to make a video, like I said, while I was filming this one. I'm gonna make a video on what's going on with NASDAQ 100, because I think something big might happen soon. So I just want to share this idea with y'all, and then y'all can tell me what you guys think. And also, remember, don't get scammed by anyone pretending to be Vussy Magz, because listen, there's only one Vussy Magz, and he's not asking you to invest in him. You feel me? Alright man, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.